We'll guide you through how to sign into your Google account on a laptop or PC. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Chrome or any web browser on your computer. In the address bar, type google.com and press enter. Once the Google homepage loads, look at the top right corner of the screen. If you're not signed in, you'll see a Sign In button. Click on it. Now a new page will open, asking for your email or phone number. Enter your Google account details and click Next, then type your password and click Next again. If you have two-step verification enabled, you might be asked to verify your identity using your phone or email. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Once signed in, your profile picture will appear in the top right corner of Google. If you want to add another Google account, click on your profile picture. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on Add Another Account. This will take you back to the login page where you can enter the email and password for the second account. After signing in, you can easily switch between accounts by clicking on your profile picture and selecting the one you want to use. That's it! You've successfully signed into your Google account and learned how to add multiple accounts. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick and useful tips. Thanks for watching.